We've had an exciting week so far, and today marks the last day of the launch week. Till now, we've launched features specific to programming automation. But we are thrilled to share that we are also working hard to give you the access to our intensive knowledge base in the coming days, which we proudly call DhiWise University. A place where we would be having a library of lessons covering everything from designing a Figma to deploying an application. DhiWise University has more than 15 curated courses that will help developers build anything ranging from a basic to an advanced application.
When we look back at our journey of onboarding 30,000 users who helped us to build this product with their continuous feedback, we feel extremely grateful, and as a gesture of gratitude, we have come up with a Developer Champion Program so that they can work closely with us and share feedback that can help millions of developers around the world to change the way apps are built.
Ever since we started off, we came across a lot of people who gave us a shout out across socials without expecting anything in return. Today, we are announcing DhiWise Ambassador Program. We invite our users to be a part of our ongoing journey with this program.
And as we promised, the last day will be for everyone. So today, we would like to introduce DhiWise Partner Program for the agencies who use DhiWise to build applications for their clients.
That's it for today as well as this week. The launch week might have concluded, but there's a little something that you should know. Starting tomorrow, for 30 days straight, we will be showing you the capabilities of DhiWise around the features we've released this week by building real-life use cases using popular APIs.
With each launch week, we are getting a little closer to delivering on our vision. At DhiWise, we genuinely feel a sense of excitement about that. We are optimistic that breakthrough you saw this week will help us to get there.
We look forward to building the future with all of you.